Hello and namaste to everyone. Welcome back to another cooking session in Hamal's kitchen. I hope everyone is doing great out there. Today I'm making Lauka chana dal recipe, and this recipe is really amazing. And this is perfect for the person who doesn't like Lauka, but you might like it if you cook this way. So let's start the cooking process. Firstly, we need to cook Lauka and dal together. So here I'm using pressure cooker to cook it. 8 diced Lauka along with chana dal, which I had soaked in a cold water for about 2 hours. Add some water along with turmeric powder and cooking oil. Cover the lid and cook it for 3 to 4 whistles. Make sure you do not overcook it because we want chunk of dal in Lauka. After 3 to 4 whistles, turn up the gas and wait for the pressure to release by itself. After 3 to 4 whistles, our dal and Lauka has been cooked perfectly, and this is how we want our dal and Lauka to be looked like. Let's move to the next step. Heat the pan and add some ghee, or you can use cooking oil. Once the ghee heated, add dried chili along with cumin seed, black mustard seed, once it starts to splutter, add chopped onion and fry until it turns to light golden brown in color. Add finely chopped ginger and garlic. Fry for 30 seconds, but do not overcook it. Then add chopped tomatoes, along with turmeric powder, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt to taste, and mix it well and cook for 4 to 5 minutes until tomatoes completely cooks and oil starts to separate on the side. As you can see, the oil already started to separate on the side. Now let's add the Lauka and chana that we cooked earlier. Mix it well. Now cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes of cooking, our Lauka chana dal is ready. Garnish it with chopped cilantro. Mix it well. Please leave a comment for the next recipe in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed today's cooking video. Enjoy the recipe with your family and friends. Thank you for taking out the time to watch this video. Stay safe. Bye bye.